Have a nice day, my friends, and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll bring you an extremely interesting challenge. Guess the drink by emoji. We prepared 40 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Question 1. Which drink could this be? Nice, that's oat milk. Question 2. Do you know this drink? So easy, it's Dr. Pepper. Question 3. Can you guess? Yeah, hot chocolate's the correct answer. Question 4. Do you prefer hot chocolate or Dr. Pepper? Hot chocolate or Dr. Pepper? What's your options? Please leave your answer in the comments. Question 5. What drink comes to your mind when you see this emoji? Amazing! This drink is Tropicana. Question 6. I believe that you know this drink. Great, it's 7-Up. Question 7. This is a popular drink. Can you guess? That's Pepsi. You did great. Question 8. Would you rather choose 7-Up or Pepsi? Up or Pepsi? Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know your choice. Question 9. Next one. Do you know this drink? Exactly, it's Lipton. Question 10. What drink is this? Yep, that's Red Bull. Question 11. Any guesses? Why are you so good? It's called Grimace Shake. Question 12. Which brand does Grimace Shake belong to? A. Taco Bell. B. McDonald's. C. Cookout. Time's up, and B's the correct answer. Question 13. Can you guess this drink by emoji? Fantastic! This drink is Dole. Question 14. Which drink do you think this is? Nescafe? That's true. Question 15. What drink is this? Love it, that's Mountain Dew. Question 16. Where's the Mountain Dew bottle? Oh wow, here they are. Question 17. Do you know this drink? Good job, my friends, that's bubble tea. Question 18. Tell me the name of this drink. Yeah, that's Minute Maid. Question 19. How about this one? Cool, the answer's Sunkissed. Question 20. Do you prefer Minute Maid or Sunkissed? Which drink do you like better? Leave your option in the comments. Question 21. Can you guess this drink by emoji? Did you get it? That's strawberry juice. Question 22. Which drink is this? Wow, that's green tea. Question 23. What about this drink? Correct, it's banana smoothie. Question 24. Choose one button, boy or girl. Time's up, let's check your button. Boy, chocolate banana smoothie. Girl, strawberry banana smoothie. Which button did you choose? Please comment your answer down below. Question 25. Do you know this drink? This drink is iced coffee. Good job! Question 26. What drink comes to your mind when you see this emoji? You're so amazing! That's Monster Energy! Question 27. Can you guess? Awesome! It's called Snapple. Question 28. Would you rather drink Monster Energy or Snapple? What are your options? Please leave your answer in the comments. Question 29. Let's continue with this drink. Bingo! That's coconut water. Question 30. It's our favorite drink. Do you know it? Well, Americano's the correct answer. Question 31. Can you recognize this drink? That's right, it's cappuccino. Question 32. Which drink do you like more between Americano and cappuccino? Both are delicious, but what if you have to choose one? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Question 33. Guess the drink by emoji. Did you get it? That's lemonade. Question 34. Can you name this drink? Great, it's Coca-Cola. Question 35. I trust you know this one. It's not difficult for you, right? Fanta. Question 36. Find the odd emoji out. You have good eyes. Here's the odd one. Question 37. What do you think this drink is? Yeah, vanilla shake's the correct answer. Question 38. Can you guess? Cool, it's tequila. Question 39. What drink is this? Well done, that's Hawaiian Punch. Question 40. Guess the real Hawaiian Punch's mascot, can you? Think carefully and comment to let us know your answer. I believe that it's not difficult for you. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.